The campaign for child survival and development led to the World Summit for Children, when 71 heads of state or government assembled at the United Nations, a very proud moment in UNICEF's history. The World Summit was the largest gathering of world leaders in history up to that time, catalyzing UNICEF's new vision to draw on people power and form a grand alliance for children. This grand alliance mobilized heads of state to support children's rights. It also enlisted artists, writers, parliamentarians, and others with influential power to advocate on behalf of children. The climax of the summit was the commitment of world leaders to a series of goals and targets that would improve children's lives. A World Declaration and Plan of Action was signed at the summit, setting out a series of child survival and development goals that included reductions in child deaths, achievement of primary education for all, reduction in malnutrition, universal access to safe water, and increased concern for children affected by armed conflict. As the 90s progressed, the violent splintering of societies by war and civil conflict, and the growth of the HIV/AIDS epidemic had severe impacts on children and their families, increasing poverty levels and displacing whole communities. As it widened its program in response to the new complex emergencies, UNICEF's path once more was changing. With the Convention on the Rights of the Child as its basis, UNICEF pushed forward to advocate on behalf of children affected by the ongoing devastation of these crises